Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Learning Hunt.
Today we will learn about what is HTML, why it is used, and how to create a simple HTML page. So at first, what is HTML? So the HTML means the hypertext markup language, and why it is used? It is used to structure a web page and its content. Its content could be structured within a set of paragraph, a list of bullet point, or using images and data tables. Now we know what is HTML and why it is used. So let's create a web page. For creating a web page, we have to write code in a text editor. Text editor is a platform to write code and run your code. These are the text editor showing on your screen. What text editor you have? Open it. And if you have not any text editor, then you can also write your code through Notepad. I have Visual Studio Code here. You can see that these are this interface. If you want to download Visual Studio Code, then the link is given in the description box. At first, we have to create a folder here. So I just give the name here, HTML file. Sorry, HTML folder. So in the Visual Studio Code, there are the drag and drop feature. So I just simply drag my folder and drop in the Visual Studio Code. Here you can see that my folder will be open in the Visual Studio Code here. Now you can create here a new file in your folder, or you can also create a new folder from here. You can also create a new file from here with the Ctrl+N and open folder. Okay, so let's create a new file, that is HTML file. So I just write here HTML, my file. Okay, now after giving the name, you just give the extension, that is HTML. Carefully give the extension at the HTML, because this tells your computer or software that what type of file you create. Okay, so just save it, and now you can see that here is your file is open in your text editor. Now you can quote here. So the first line of code, basic template, we have to create a basic template. The first required line is the doctype HTML. Here you can see that the doctype HTML. So now you think, what is doctype HTML? So the doctype HTML, doctype means document type declaration. It informs the web browser about the HTML used in building the web document. This helps the browser to handle and load it properly. Okay, now this is the first required line. Now the second required line is the HTML tag. Okay, so here you can see that this is the HTML tag, this is the open tag, okay, and this is the closing tag. This is the second required line. We have to write all my codes in this HTML tags. So there are the different type of tag, different type of tags are used in the HTML, because different, for creating the different element we have to use the different type of tag. Okay, so in the HTML there are the two type of tag, that is head tag, and now here you can see that I just open my head tag here and close my tag here. If you open any type of tag, you have to close it. If you not close any tag, then it's become an error in your HTML file. Okay, so there are the one more tag, that is body tag. Here this is the head tag and this is the body tag. Head tag is used to attach any link or any file, folder, something, and body tag is used to write code. All your code you have to write in this body tag. Okay, so in the head tag there are also one main tag, that is title tag. Here is the title tag. Okay, the title tag is used to give the title of your web page. So as I give here the HTML file document, HTML file document. Now save this with a Ctrl+S. Now I just open my file from here. You can see that this is the my6 file. Okay, let's open it, and here you can see that this is the simple HTML page. It's totally blank because I do not code here anything, but you can see that the title is the HTML file document. So in that way you can create a simple HTML page. So I just this. Now you can see that. So let's create some headings in that page. So I just write here the heading 1, that is, this is my first page. Okay, so this is my first page. Now save this and refresh your file. Here you can see that you create a simple heading, okay, in your web page. So in that way you can create a simple web page if you have any text editor. But if you have not any text editor, then you can also create a web page through your notepad. Just I copy this basics template. This is the basic template, and paste here and write HTML document. Okay, now I just write here, this is my notepad file. Okay, so now we have to save it. So you can save from here with our Ctrl+S. So give the name of your file, that is, I give here the HTML2. Okay, and then .html, give the extension .html here, and now click as save as tab and click all tabs. Now save this, and here you can find your HTML2 file through your notepad. Let's open it. Here you can see that this is the notepad file and its title is HTML document. In that way you can create a file through your notepad. Okay, so let's close it. And now, so this is the heading 2. There are the 6 type of heading. Okay, and every heading is smaller than the previous heading compared to previous heading. Okay, there are the heading 3, heading 4, heading 5 and heading 6. Okay, let's copy this in every heading. Now save this file and open your page. So here you can see that the every heading is smaller than compared to the previous one. This is the heading 1, this is heading 2, this is heading 3, 4, 5 and 6. In that way the size of the heading, you can adjust your heading in any where you want in your HTML page. So after the heading tag we have to learn about the paragraph tag. So for paragraph tag you have to use the p tag. Okay, this is the open tag, open p tag, and this is the closing p tag. Okay, and in the paragraph tag how many line you want you can write, because it's a paragraph. Okay, it's contain many type of line, many sentences also. So let's create. If you use the Visual Studio Code, then there are the shortcut. Also you can use the lorem 50. After writing the lorem you can use, and how many word you want, I just write 50. Then it's written sentence for me, written a paragraph for me in the 50 words. Okay, now save this file and refresh your page. Here you can see that there is your paragraph in your HTML file. Okay, now here you can see that. And if you want to give this paragraph below the first heading, then you can just copy this paragraph and give below the first heading. Now save this file and refresh your page, and here you can see that after the first heading you found here your paragraph. So HTML is used to give the structure only. So in that way, where you want to give your HTML paragraph, images, in that way you can write here and you found in your web page in the same manner. Okay, so this is for today. Our next topic we will learn in our next video. So I hope you like my video, and thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.